Welcome to my class, my dear students. What do you see in the picture? This is my an orange. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. So the correct sentence is this is my orange. Afran is a student. He goes to the school regularly. Is it correct using the before school? It is also not correct. It will be he goes to school regularly. So what may be our today's lesson? Mention of article. So our today's lesson is omission of article. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to apply the omission of article and why article is omitted, and the next one, the use of cross. Lions are wild animals. So which lions? Or lions in general? That means পৃথিবীর সকল সিংহ. So article is omitted before something plural in general. অর্থাৎ পৃথিবীর সকল সিংহগুলো বন্য. আখার but মাইখার. He bought akhar. He bought my car. So here we can use a. But in possessive, we can't use any article. So article is omitted when possessive pronouns are used before nouns. Funny video. This is Mr. Bean. So article is omitted. No article is used before a proper noun. Proper nouns are the words which name a specific people, organizations, or places. Now let's solve the problems. Get birds fly in the sky. I like to play basketball. When lunch is ready, please call me. So also an article is not used before the names of meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. and the names of games or sports, cricket, basketball, tennis, etc. Now you have to practice. So we are the students of GAP Dhaka Jilla School. It will be cross. have to practice the fill in the blanks. Now you can see England, Asia, Dhaka, and Lake Park. Also, an article is not used before the names of countries, cities, continents, or parks. So I went to England to enjoy the England tour. So England is a country. Article will be omitted. An England tour, not a country. So we have to use the. Now use article where necessary and put a cross where an article is not needed. What can you see? Shere Bangla ke Fazlul Haq. Shere Bangla means the tiger of Bengal. And Shere Bangla ke Fazlul Haq. Also, an article is not used before titles when the person's name is mentioned. Talib goes to school. No article is mentioned here because Talib goes to school every day or regularly. He is a student and it is his regular duty. So that's why an article is not used before the names of school, hospital, prison, bed, home when we refer to the purpose as regular duty. অর্থাৎ যদি ছাত্ররা স্কুলে যায় সেখানে আমরা দা ব্যবহার করব না, কোনো আর্টিকেল হবে না। হসপিটালে রোগীরা যায় সেখানে আমরা কোনো আর্টিকেল ব্যবহার করব না। মসজিদে মুসল্লিরা যায় সেখানে আমরা কোনো আর্টিকেল ব্যবহার করব না, কিন্তু অন্য কোনো পারপাজে গেলে তখন সেখানে আর্টিকেল ব্যবহার করা হবে। And Talib's mother went to the school to collect his report. তালিবের মা কিন্তু প্রতিদিন যায় না, এটা তার কোনো ডিউটি না। দ্যাটস ওয়াই স্কুলের আগে দা বসেছে। So we can say that because she is not a student, it is not her regular duty, she is a visitor. So article ta is allowed here. Fill in the gaps with articles and put a cross where an article is not needed. It will be your homework. Verse universal. If you respect others, you will be respected. I wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.